Welcome back to Car Reviews, the place where passion meets precision, and today, we're diving into something truly extraordinary, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Dawn Mansory Edition. This isn't just a car, it's a moving masterpiece. Imagine a vehicle so beautiful, so bold, and so unapologetically luxurious that it turns every street into a red carpet. This is that car. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Dawn customized by Mansory redefines what it means to drive in style. This is elegance, aggression, and art fused into one breathtaking machine. The moment you lay eyes on it, you know it's something special. That bold matte black and magenta gradient finish is unlike anything you've seen before. It doesn't just catch the light, it commands it. The sculpted body lines flow seamlessly, while Mansory's signature carbon fiber accents on the hood, front splitter, and side skirts give the car a more athletic, almost intimidating presence. The massive blacked-out grille up front isn't just a design statement, it's a declaration of dominance. And those redesigned LED headlamps, sharp and assertive, complete the menacing look. Move to the side, and you're greeted with 22-inch forged alloy wheels that seem to spin even when standing still. The air vents, the lowered stance, the perfectly sculpted fenders, every inch screams bespoke craftsmanship. At the back, the reworked bumper with integrated exhaust tips and a subtle rear diffuser ties it all together. This isn't just a luxury convertible, it's a road-going sculpture that blends performance and prestige like nothing else. Open the door, and you step into another dimension. Inside, the 2026 Dawn Mansory Edition feels like a royal suite on wheels. Plush hand-stitched leather in a rich magenta tone wraps around every surface, contrasted by black Alcantara inserts and carbon fiber trim that feels both modern and timeless. The starlight headliner above gives you your own personal night sky, and when the ambient lighting glows softly around you, it's hard to believe you're inside a car at all. Every button, every dial, every stitch has been obsessively crafted. The Bespoke infotainment system offers a floating glass display with full connectivity, augmented navigation, and a sound system tuned by the best in the business, delivering a concert-like experience with every note. The rear seats, though designed for luxury over space, offer just enough comfort to remind you this car isn't about practicality, it's about perfection. Now let's talk performance, because beauty alone isn't enough for Mansory. Under the hood lies a 6.6-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine, now tuned by Mansory to produce an astonishing 740 horsepower and 1,000 Nm of torque. That means this luxury convertible can go from 0 to 100 km/h in just 4.3 seconds, pure, smooth, relentless acceleration. And yet, it remains whisper quiet when you want it to, gliding effortlessly thanks to Rolls-Royce's signature, magic carpet ride, suspension. Switch the driving mode, and you feel the beast come alive. The exhaust deepens, the steering tightens, and suddenly this elegant cruiser transforms into a powerhouse ready to conquer the open road. All this opulence, power, and exclusivity comes at a price, and it's not for the faint-hearted. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Dawn Mansory Edition is expected to start at around $600,000, depending on customization. But for the elite few who can afford it, it's not about the money, it's about owning a statement, a symbol of individuality, craftsmanship, and unmatched status. So, as the sun sets and that magenta paint glows under the city lights, the Dawn Mansory Edition reminds you of one thing: luxury isn't just about comfort or design. It's about presence. And this car has it in abundance. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Rolls-Royce Dawn Mansory Edition, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more exotic car reviews, and tell me in the comments, what would you choose, timeless elegance or bold customization? Until next time, this is Car Reviews, where dreams meet the drive.